This video is for small business, network administrators, and IT students. It's about OpenSUSE Linux and X2Go remote access software. The end of this lesson will not be the traditional, now you can do anything. Instead, you'll end up with a real business database of accounting and word processing documents for you to play with. To install Linux, lots of computers will work. We're going to use a ThinkCenter Teeny, which is a nice little box. The important part of this project is how to select and configure all that open source software into something workable that'll meet your business needs. The magic is contained in a 600-line script called GiantLeap exe. You're invited to review that little script and take a look at each section of the install process. It's my little contribution to open source. There's one video about installing the server operating system and another about installing Windows client software. That's enough to get you going. There are additional videos about updating X2Go client software and preparing the ThinkCenter Teeny hardware. The last video takes a look at how that magic GiantLeap exe script does its job. My name is Mike Gallets. Questions and comments to Mike G at giantdatabase.com.